Have you ever found yourself making excuses and saying that it's too late for you to start digital products? Everybody is selling digital products. I should have started selling digital products years ago, but now the opportunity has gone by. If that is you, today I want you to know that it is not too late for you to get started with selling digital products. And in this video, I want to help you to understand that you are holding yourself back and that you are in your own way. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just get right into it. Y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara, and if you are new here on this channel, I teach you guys how to make money from anywhere in the world, and specifically we talk about digital products. So if you are someone who has been on the fence and you are saying it's too late for you to start digital products, I want you to know today on August the 4th, 2025, that it is not too late. So one thing about digital products is it has been around for years. The first time I ever heard about digital products was back in 2020 when COVID first hit. That's when people started getting more into selling courses, learning new things, and just trying to figure out how to make more money during the pandemic. So after COVID, it's like everything changed, literally. You begin to see so many people selling digital products, so many people going online to do things and to learn things. And because of this, we are now in a season, in a time where you can literally start selling digital products today and you can become a millionaire within the next 12 months. So I want you to understand that it is not too late. And what is happening to you is you are being stuck and you are sabotaging your future because of fear. It's not because you're not capable. It's not because too many people are doing it. It's not because there is not room for you. The truth is you are getting in your own way, and the fear within you is what's keeping you stuck and stopping you from starting your digital product business. When it comes to your mindset, you have to understand that you are in control of your thoughts. If you overthink it, if you feel like you can't do it, if you see other people doing it and it's not what you're familiar with, you will begin to self-sabotage yourself into thinking that you are not good enough. You will feel like you don't have the knowledge. You will feel like it's nothing for you to sell. And the truth is, God has already put something within you that you can begin to sell immediately. So you have to get out your own way. You have to stop making excuses, and you have to stop procrastinating, because if you continue to do this, you will stay in this cycle and time will continue to pass you by, and before you know it, you will be saying, I should have did this years ago. Because one thing about digital products is it is easy money to be made. Now, I will not sit here and tell you guys that if you start today that you're going to make $1 million tomorrow. But what I will say is, if you start this business, if you become consistent, and if you make sure that you are giving out valuable information and helping someone and solving problems, you will begin to see more money coming to you. So when it comes to selling digital products, you need to figure out what it is that you like, what it is that you have knowledge in, what it is that you can get on social media and talk about every single day. Now, I know a lot of you may say, I don't want to get in front of the camera. I'm camera shy. I don't know what to say, or I'm not good at talking. That's completely okay. We all start from somewhere. If you go back and you watch my last video that I posted, I showed you guys a clip of me when I first started getting on camera and showing my face and how I wasn't the same person that I am today. Back then, when I got on there, I showed up because I knew that this is something I wanted to do. I knew that I had a calling to speak because I was so good at talking to people, but because I wasn't familiar with getting on camera, it made me feel like I couldn't do it. It made me shy away from it. It made me feel like I had to show up online as somebody else. But as time went by, as I continued to do it, I got better. I understood all I had had to do was show up, give valuable information, and be my authentic self. So don't think just because you start today that you have to be perfect. Don't think that you have to show up as somebody else. Don't think that there's not a tribe for you, because there is. There's someone somewhere who needs what you have. And the best thing that I can tell you guys, the one thing that I remember that helps me on this journey is someone is attached to your assignment. It may be your family, it may be your friends, it may be complete strangers across the whole world, but there are people who are depending on what you have within you. God has already placed something in you. He's already given you the gifts. He's already given you the talent. You're already showing up as this person, but you have not arrived as who it is that you need to be online. You're already doing it in your daily life, and you probably don't even see it. So what I had to realize is, when it comes to what it is that God has purposed within you, it's something that you're already doing, something that you can do consistently, and it's a natural flow for you. Like for me, I had to realize one of my gifts, one of my talents, one of the things that I can make money from was actually speaking, actually motivating. And that's because I talk a lot. That's because I enjoy talking about business. I enjoy teaching people how to make extra money. I enjoy helping people to be better and to do better. And I use my life as a testimony, because back in 2017, when I first started, I wish I had someone who could be there and tell me, it's gonna be okay. You can do it. All you have to do is show up, and God will do the rest. The doors will open, but you have to be willing to put one foot in front of the other. I wish I had a me back then, because when I started in business in 2017, I literally just jumped. I literally quit my job on faith. No savings, no plan, no source of income whatsoever. I didn't even know what I was going to do, but all I knew was I had to make a decision. And in that moment, I made a decision to quit my good paying job and to go all in on whatever God had for me next. And once I quit that job, literally I began to get bookings every single day, 6 days a week, doing hair. Literally. Now, I always have done hair back in the day, because that was something that I enjoyed doing. So even when I had a job, I still did hair on the side here and there, just for the little extra income, and because I was passionate about it. But little did I know that me taking that leap of faith was going to allow me to be where I am today. Now I'm able to do multiple things. Now multiple doors have opened for me. So I want you guys to understand that it's not too late. All you need to do is start. The plan has already been written. Everything has already been laid before you. But before you can go, before you can meet your new self, before you can experience the things that you have been praying for, you have to move like it's already yours. You have to move like you want this thing. So stop procrastinating. Stop making excuses. Stop saying that it's not enough room for you. Stop looking at other people and what they're doing. Everybody's path is going to be unique. Everybody's path is going to be different. So just because somebody is doing it one way does not mean that's the only way. You have to do what works best for you. If you don't feel like you're good at getting on camera and talking, maybe that's not the route that you need to take. Maybe you're better at just writing things. Maybe you have some kind of gift within you where you flow better with writing. So if that is you, that means that you can still sell digital products, but instead of doing videos, what you're going to do is make more posts. You're going to go on a platform like Facebook, and you're going to post consistently that way. There are so many different people on Facebook who have a page that is nothing but just different paragraphs that they're writing, and guess what? They're viral. They have people who follow them. So don't think that you have to do it a certain way. You have to do what works best for you. So if you're not good at talking, I want you to still try, because I can say doing videos has helped me to make more income. Doing videos have helped me to be seen more, because everything has shifted and changed. Back in the day, you used to post pictures and you used to compose posts and go viral. But now the way the platforms are set up, they're doing more pushing out content in videos. And you guys, you have to look at it as this: if you start showing up online, you can start getting brand deals. There is so many different opportunities and different things that you can start getting paid for. When people have social media platforms and they platforms grow, you're getting paid from the platform itself, like YouTube. Once you become monetized, you're getting paid for sponsorships, you're getting paid for brand deals, you're getting paid for your digital products that you can sell. There are so many different opportunities. So you have to ask yourself, okay, do I really want this? You say you want to make 10K every month, but do you really? Are you willing to step out there and put yourself out there to see? You say that you're ready to have freedom. You say you want more time with your family. You say you want to take these vacations and not have to check your balance before you go to see how much money you have. But are you willing to do what it takes? Are you willing to take that leap of faith? Are you willing to do something that makes you uncomfortable so that you can receive the things that you're asking for? Those are the things that you have to remember. So when you feel uncomfortable, I want you to remember that uncomfortable positions allow you to get into comfortable positions. So just because it make you uncomfortable for the moment, that does not mean it's not for you. That actually means that you're on the right path. Because every time I've been uncomfortable, I always be in a season where I'm getting ready to flourish. That's just like even if you start a new job, even if you go to school, you're uncomfortable because you're unfamiliar. So it's okay for your nervous system to feel that uncomfortable spot for the moment. But the more you do it, the more you be consistent, the more you show up, it's going to allow you to know. It's going to allow you to become familiar with that spot. It's going to allow you to become familiar with what it is you're doing. And you're going to get better at it every single day. So every single day, y'all, show up. Just do something. Put one foot in front of the other. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helps someone. Let me know down in the comments what type of business selling digital products are you going to start. So let's go ahead and get it started. Talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.